So I just wanted to show you guys some stuff I've been playing with on YouTube, kind of show you why I'd want to join the think tank because I actually really like doing this stuff. Used to do it as a web developer. So I kind of played around with this already, but one of the things that's really cool is you can in you for YouTube videos um, it will auto generate subtitles. So you just tell it the language and then it will generate them from the speech, which is actually pretty good for accessibility. But there's a cool thing you can do. You can actually um, edit the subtitles it generates. So that would be an um, easy way for us to translate the text. So you can do it line by line in this editor in YouTube, but you can also just download the whole file that it creates. And I've already been playing around with this some, so that's why it says test in there. So if I go ahead and hold on a second, well, I can download the file, right? I already actually have a download, but I'll go ahead and just show you guys how this works. All right, so this is how you can edit it line at a time, which is kind of time consuming. So you can download the file, right? So I've done this before, so I just thought I'd show you. Um, so it generates this file down here, and then I just need to open it. Kind of important you pick certain file types. So you can see I was already playing around with it. So, right, so I can change a couple of sentences in there. So like a student could go through and edit these files and maybe upload them for you. It's not too hard. So then I'll save it. Okay, so now I've edited this file. I can go back here. I can just upload a file, right? Open, upload. Right. Then I have to go through and publish those edits. It's just telling me it's overwriting them. Okay, so if I turn on the captions, right? All right. So we're in test, test. So these are the changes I made. So you can see I edited the subtitles so it no longer matches. So you could potentially upload all that in Spanish. It's kind of cool. So I just thought I'd show you guys something like that, which I thought would be useful. I know the think tank is going to be doing other things, but I also have a lot of experience with just design and development. And like I said, I really enjoy doing this stuff, so I'd love to be a part of that group, even though I'm still getting started as a teacher. So thanks a lot for checking this out.